Hi guys, myself Swapna. I'm an internationally certified makeup artist and cosmetologist. Today I'm creating a glam look. I'm doing cleansing.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze in the face of defeat.
Now I'm moisturizing her skin.
I was ruled out with no bailout on my own, all alone, left to bleed
Tap
out.
in between the eyebrows and all. So I'm filling the eyebrows and I'm giving the same shape to this eyebrow also. Eyebrow pack, eyebrow palette, the cream eyebrow this thing, and the shade is RC239. It's not a dark brown also, it's in between the brown family. And it's a waterproof one. So to define the eyebrow, I'm using a pack eyebrow definer powder eyebrow palette. It's brand pack, and here I'm using a lighter brown. Always don't apply directly from the palette, just tap on your hand and then apply. And remaining the powder, this thing is then on your brush. You should apply on the front eyebrow line. A small quantity of concealer. It's a Daily Life Forever 52 concealer palette. Take the on my shape for the eyebrow.
To explode.
In the Forever 52 palette, you will get all the shades and corrector, everything. In the one palette, you will get all the things. So no need to take too many products. So keep in one palette. Little quantity I'm applying on her eyelid. This is a grip primer. So now I am applying the concealer on her eyelid. I'm using a small blender to blend. Always put the concealer from like this. So I'm packing the concealer by the translucent powder.
Come on over. I'm gonna show you something. I think you're gonna like it. Don't hesitate.
In Naughty Huda palette, I'm taking the rose color. So I'm
A sweet escape.
blending this all over the eye.
Chase me away. Don't you stop. Why does it rain? How does it lie? Your lips on my lips, saving my life. I'll be your anchor when you go down. Don't you wanna? Don't you
I'm taking the concealer and
let's do wild things.
doing the
Goosebumps
half cut piece.
over my body when we jump in. I think I'm drowning. If I stay right with you, you'll be drowning too. Hey love, let's do wild things. Goosebumps over my
So you should put the concealer 3/4 of your eyes. And I'm mattifying this concealer by using the fixing powder.
Out of my league, you're such a dream. Like nicotine, I can't stop. Where does the rain, how does your light? Your lips to my lips, saving my life. I'll be
Same
when
thing
you go down.
on this side also. I'm mattifying this concealer by fixing the fixing powder. Inner corner, I'm lightly applying the glue. Yeah, here I mix the two glitter. One is the pearl pigment, one more is a twinkle star. It has a small particle, pinkish white it is, and it is a silver.
You say you don't need me, but I'm the only one you call whenever you're lost. You say you got somewhere to be, but you've been here since yesterday with your phone turned off.
Now I'm taking the dark shade of brown,
Doing all the talking,
and here mixing with the revolution little dark shade I'm taking.
sounds like a good place to start.
Applying on the outer corner, I'm creating a line. So I'm taking a lighter shade and smudging this line and blending this glitter and the dark shade. Here I'm smudging with the dark brown in the outer corner. Lighter shade concealer on the ear side. Then insert cheekbones. So I'm blending on with the foundation. Now I am using a cream contour. So I'm using the Bouquet contour brush to blend the contour. For hydrating, I'm using the Max Fixing Spray. Cream brush. The loose powder. Add foundation. Done. Now I'm taking the fixing powder. Fix my foundation. So now I'm putting the kajal on her. So now I'm putting the kajal on her waterline. So now I'm taking a brown eyeliner. Dark brown. Waterline. Just give the shadow. I'm taking a small amount of shimmer. Plus full shimmer in rose quartz Huda Beauty. So I'm putting the inner corner of the eye. Look up. So now I'm using a bronze. She's too fair. contouring on her nose. Now I am applying the blush. Now I am applying the highlighter. It's not a fixer, it's hydrating kind of. I will lip liner I'm using. So now I am using lip injection, not lip gloss. The difference between the lip injection and lip gloss is the gloss will give you the only the gloss look, but lip injection will pump your lips and it hydrates your lips. So it's trending. Little burning sensation will be there, but it's too good. ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, in case it is coming back means you can put the glue by using the eyeliner brush.